Hi, I'm Jenna in Amarillo, Texas at Proven Canine Training, and I'm here with Wishbone. Wishbone is an adorable little doodle puppy, and come here. He is so soft to the touch, and he even has a little blue in one of his eyes, and he is just the cutest thing, and I'm so excited to work with him. He's here for our 2-week board and train, and so we're going to see what he knows so you can see his progress throughout these 2 weeks. Wishbone, come here. Wishbone, come here. Good boy. Sit. No. Wishbone, sit. Might be too much for him. Wishbone, lie down. Lie down. No. Wishbone, please. Wishbone, please. Come on. Maybe not, but he is going to learn so much in these next 2 weeks, so keep track of him. I'm Jenna. This is Wishbone, Proven Canine Training, Amarillo, Texas.